Hello and welcome to my historical recipes. Today, again, I would like to travel with you back to ancient Rome, and I'm going to prepare a recipe from that period, again, from the recipe collection of Apicius, and today it is stuffed and steamed sardines. Now, let's have a look at the ingredients. So, I got, obviously, some fresh sardines. I got 2 different herbs from the family of mint, well, normal mint, and the other one is pennyroyal. I have whole black peppercorns. I got nuts, some oregano, olive oil, honey, and concentrated grape juice, vin cotto. Surprise, surprise, in this recipe there's absolutely no garum, no fish sauce involved, because we have fish. Then you also need some string, parchment paper, and either a steam basket or a colander also does the job. Okay, first of all, we need to gut and debone the sardines. Take out the heads, the guts, and the backbone. Like that. Now, take one of the little sardine fillets, put a piece of nut, a couple of peppercorns, a little bit of pennyroyal, a little bit of mint, and then the recipe says tie it or sew it together. I'm not going to sew a sardine, I'm sorry. I'm going to tie it. And I put it here into this colander, where I already have some other sardines, on top of some parchment paper. So this is how it looks like now, and I'm going to close that parchment around, but not on the sides, like this. A little bit of steam can go in, and I'm going to set this into a cooking pot full of boiling water, and I'm going to steam this. Now, these sardines will be drizzled slightly with, you will be surprised, well actually not if you know Roman cuisine, a little bit of honey. And this sounds really weird now, but if you think about it, there is still a Sicilian recipe that stuffs sardines in a sweet and sour way with pine nuts and raisins, so sweet and sour. Now we also add a little bit of concentrated grape must. Drizzle the whole thing with olive oil, and in the end add some oregano leaves. Okay, what do you think? How will this dish taste? Let's try. This is really good. Excellent. You should try it.
Very good. Good.
And cheers.